All right.
I've been wanting to do this all week, so I'm fixing to try. I haven't done this since high school. Oh my God. I ain't gonna be able to get back up. You know it?
No.
Well,
I think probably you're pushing snow. You're probably going to have to be, I don't know.
I don't think it's gonna work. Am I too heavy?
No, it's just the way it's made. The snow's kind of icy, I guess. I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. I don't remember. It's been a long time. We had better snow back in my days.
I think I'm gonna do this.
You had to get a running start and just flop down on it. That's what you need to do. Get a running start like a
And jump on it.
you like a slip and slide.
I think that is what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, but you need to be like 10 years old.
My butt's starting to get wet.